How's it going, guys? Today is going to be a little maintenance day. Got some stuff to do, but Ryan is coming over and we're going to be treading bumpers. His is fully cut out, the black. So we'll do that. We'll see how this looks. See how it looks with the tomei, and then you can see everything else underneath. I got to clean out the car inside. I got to put another self-tapping screw on the side skirt. Probably rinse, just quick rinse the car, not wash it, just foam it up, rinse it off, call it a day. Next week I will be swapping these seats. The Ergo will be going to the passenger side and the Pro Advan will be coming to the driver's side. I'll maybe make a short little video just to show you the parts that are needed for a seat and stuff like that. I've gotten quite good at swapping seats, but they are a pain in the royal ass to do. I'll explain that in the future video. But yeah, I will show you more when Ryan gets here. And I'm also thinking of taking off the tire stickers. Getting a little tired of them. They are very worn down. So if you guys don't know how to take off the bumper, honestly it's only a couple clips. But if you look here, which I don't know the GoPro pickup, I already have my clips on. I don't even have them. So that'll be even easier. And underneath there are some pop tabs that you just take off with a flathead screwdriver and they pop right out. I will be unscrewing these because I have some wires that I need to do for these. So if you have that, unscrew your tail lights. But let's go, start the day. Yeah. Here's Ryan. Say hi. Oh. Running that crazy fitment. Damn, you must rub a lot, don't you?
What was that?
You must rub a lot.
It's not too bad.
Not too bad?
Yeah, it's only on that side.
Because you sit there mostly?
Yeah. Yeah, no one wants to commit to trading cut fenders. I was like, I'll put cash on top, but still, like,
Yeah.
no one's biting. Oh god, no one's biting.
It's quite the commitment.
It's not that bad.
Honestly, looks like a overlays.
Oh, there you go.
So
no?
you trimmed those metal brackets then?
Yeah, this is the crash beam.
Sad day, kinda. Not really. Bittersweet. I don't know. I actually posted my wing up for sale. Testing the waters. 500 bucks. If anyone wanted to come buy it, I would let it go. And actually, a lot of people were very interested, so I'm actually letting this wing go today. Guy's coming from 5:30. He's coming all the way from Davis. But yeah, gonna throw the OEM wing back on. I mean, I love this wing, but I don't know. It just doesn't do it for me anymore. And could use that money towards better things like funding my trip to Japan and Korea. But I'll throw the OEM wing back on, and I think what I will do is not get the riser kit, but get like the carbon fiber add-on edition. What Ryan had on his car. But yeah, I do not believe I have my OEM bolts, so that's gonna be interesting. I misplaced them, I think, but anyways, gonna go ahead and start taking all these bolts out. Well guys, good old stock wing is back on. It's quite filthy, but it's back on. It's a little sad seeing it like this, but looks more like an egg, that's for sure. But I definitely think if I get that carbon side extension, that'll look pretty good. And then for the bumper cut, still gotta trim this and those. Yeah, pretty excited. What do you guys think that the big wing's gone? I know I really wanted it for a very long time and now it's gone, but honestly I think the money would be better well used. And yeah, you can actually see up and over the car. A little sad right now, but that sadness is going to be replaced pretty soon. But there it is, in all its glory.